Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will run Alpha 1 IA bot. It's a Saturday, so let's see how we do. If you want this robot, you can have it also completely for free. Just push this link you see up there right now, or the link you find below the video. Now, this robot you can only get by using my link. If you register through BinBotPro or if you have an old account, you will never find this robot. Also, if you use a normal link or you have an account from before, you need to have a minimum deposit of $250. Using my link, you get this robot, plus you only need to deposit $100. So if you have an account from before and you want to test out my robot and you only want to deposit $100, make a new account with new email. Okay, so let's start up this amazing robot. Yeah, remember to use the promo code 200% on your first deposit. So one more thing. So let's start up this amazing robot this Saturday. there we have it again. I can't stress enough how good this robot is. 2000 and something profit I can see at least. So let's do the calculation. That will be $2,097 in matter of 7 minutes again. So, like I said, if you want to test out this robot, you only need a deposit of $100 using my link. Plus, using my link, you get my robot. Only with my link you can get my robot. So if you want to test this out, start to make money like I do, then link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.